Well, it's time to check your own learning. Match the words with its meanings. You can pause here while you are doing it. If you are done, let's check the answer together. First one is mu. It means eye. Next one is kou. It means mouth. Next one is 舌. It means tongue. Next one, 耳. It means ear. Last one, 牙. It means teeth. How many do you get right? You can leave it in the comments below. If you are ready to challenge yourself even more, let's move on to next test. Well, write the simplified Chinese according to the Oracle bone script and the picture. Pause here while you are writing. If you are done, let's check the answer together. The first one is kou. It means mouth. The second one is 舌. The third one is 牙. The fourth one is 耳. The fifth one is 目. How's it going, everyone? How many do you get right? You can leave it in the comment below. I hope this lesson was helpful. There are more lessons coming in this series. I'll upload the video resources weekly, so be sure to hit the subscribe button so you won't miss a thing. Thank you so much for tuning in. I'll see you next time. 谢谢观看，我们下次再见。